Shiba Inu unleashing the power of the OG meme cryptocurrency. Now, of course, Pepe has burst on the scene. Floki and Pepe both getting listed on Binance. Congratulations to both of those communities, to both of those tokens, to everybody involved. Because listen, I think having Pepe, having Floki join the top 100 like they did today, joining SHIB and Doge like they did today as four meme currencies in the top 100. In addition to that, four meme currencies now going to be listed on the largest exchange in the world, Binance. This is bullish for the OG meme, which is Shiba Inu. Now, people will say Doge is the OG or SHIB's the OG. It doesn't matter. Listen, my point is this. The power of Shiba Inu, the power of Dogecoin allowed for Pepe and allowed for Floki and allows for Baby Doge to even be a possibility. I think this strengthens our entire space. You guys know I've been talking about Shiba Inu on this channel for 2+ years. So bullish on its long-term valuation. Now, we're still a top 15 crypto. Shiba Inu is still, a massive, massive market cap, 6+ billion. We saw almost 50 billion in the previous bull cycle. The fact that Pepe could be joining the likes of SHIB and Doge is bullish for this entire sector. Some may say, oh my gosh, everybody's getting out of SHIB and they're leaving SHIB for Pepe, and screw Pepe, they're ruining my Shiba Inu investment. I think that's ridiculous. I'm an investor in SHIB. I'm an investor in Pepe. I want to see them both coexist, and we can win together in this cryptocurrency space. See, that's where so many people get it wrong. They get so tribal. They get so caught up in the drama, in the shit that doesn't matter. All the noise, the bullshit. Who cares? Doesn't matter. This community versus this community, and we're doing this, and you guys stole that, and you did this. Who cares? What is our end game? Ask yourself what your end game is, because I know what I'm trying to do. I know what a lot of people in my circles and my friends and people in the industry are trying to do. We're trying to better our lives at the end of the day. We're trying to come up and bring people up with us. And if we could do that through multiple avenues, through multiple revenue sources, through multiple cryptos, let's do it, right? So I just think it's crazy that, some people take this stance of, screw them because they're having success, and screw them because, you guys are all winning over there, but I'm not a part of it, so I'm going to be mad and upset. Listen, I praise anybody who's doing great things. I love seeing people have success. And when you have this mindset, you, instead of missing opportunities, you seek out opportunities and you seize the moment. And if you did that with Pepe, congratulations, because Pepe had its day and had its few weeks here, and it's still going to have, I think, a nice run here in 2023. But this nonsense of, we can only have one meme currency and this one's going to get replaced by this one and this one's going to take over this one. Let's coexist. How about that? I know that's not sexy, but that is possible. And I think that's the best possible outcome for the entire cryptocurrency sector. Let Doge, SHIB, Pepe, Floki, Baby Doge, Suka, Volt, and all the other top cryptocurrencies in the meme/community token space. Let's all eat. Let's all win together. That's my 2 cents. That's what I've got, and I'm sticking to it. Appreciate you guys as always. Let me know what you think about all this down below. Love, love, love all my SHIB fam out there. We're going to have our day again. Trust me. We just had our run in 2021. We're cooling off. We're making a transition from, really meme to utility now, and that takes time. That takes time. But meanwhile, we're still a top 15 crypto. That's pretty good, if you ask me. Appreciate you guys as always. Who knows? Maybe we'll see Pepe in the top 15 too. I would love it. Let's get another one in the top 20. Let's have 3 meme coins in the top 20. I'm all for it. Let's do it. Appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next video. Peace.